Exhibition called Creatures of Light, the American Museum of Natural History.
We're in the dark to learn about living things that light up the night naturally, from flickering fireflies to exotic and bizarre deep-sea creatures that share a mysterious yet natural phenomenon, the ability to glow in the dark, to generate light through a chemical reaction. It's a subject that fascinates Natural History Museum curator in charge, John Sparks.
Just because we know so little about it, we know some very basic details on why they used light. A lot of it's for finding food, avoiding being eaten, or communication with others of their own or other species for reproduction.
The dusky environments show that bioluminescence is all around us, like this bucolic scene, modeled after a log in a New Jersey backyard. It's teeming with glow-in-the-dark mushrooms.
There are two competing theories. One is they light up to deter a predator from eating them because they are somewhat toxic. The other is that they light up to attract a predator so that they'll eat them and then disperse their spores so they can then increase their range.
Fireflies rule. Their flashing lights are a kind of Morse code among the bug set, but watch out.
This is a female on a blade of grass, a very enlarged female of the genus Photurus. And what's interesting about this female is that she mimics the flashing pattern, as you can see she's doing here, of males of a different genus, males of different species. When they come to investigate, thinking it's a female of their own species, she eats them, so she gets a meal. So it's a way of using light for deception.
There's also an interactive space replicating how movement in a real-life pond in Puerto Rico makes the water glow.
This is a blown-up model of one of these single cells. It's giving off the light that you would see in bioluminescent bay, and it's not giving off the light in one point, it's giving it off in hundreds of little points throughout the cell.
Sparks says deep-sea fish, about 90% of ocean creatures below a half-mile, are bioluminescent, like this bizarre dragonfish called stoplight loose jawfish.
It's got two lights, one green and one red. That red light it uses to illuminate prey such as these shrimp. The shrimp cannot detect it. They do not know they're being lit up, so they can be right next to the dragonfish. The dragonfish can light them up with that red light, see them, and then eat them.
It's positively glowing. Creatures of the Light, Nature's Bioluminescence, is at the American Museum of Natural History through January 6th. Dana Tyler, CBS 2 News, Sunday Morning.